Another massive React course just dropped, this time by the creator of some of the highest rated and fastest growing courses on Udemy. Is this course another cash-in courtesy of the React hype train, or has Andrei Neagoie delivered again? We're checking it out today, and the video starts right now. RealToughCandy from RealToughCandy.com back online with you guys today. Recently, a little bird told me that Andrei Neagoie dropped another course on Udemy, but not just any course, a React course. And I know what some viewers are invariably thinking. Oh goody, another React course, just what I didn't need. I know. The thing with these React courses is that they are very long. Even like the so-called crash courses are like 25 hours. Now this one is 37.5 hours, but I wanted to review it today and show you guys what I think of it because it is a cut above. I'm just gonna come out and say it early on in the video. This course and the way Andrei does things is a cut above. Now, if you see my other reviews of Andrei's courses, I reviewed Zero to Mastery, that's a bootcamp style course, and then there's the Junior to Senior style. I don't know if he calls that a bootcamp, but it's basically leveling yourself up to become a Junior Plus. Both of those courses were a cut above in the genre of web development. I said, okay, there's got to be something more to this course than just cashing in on the React hype train. I was not wrong. Now, just going over this landing page, there are already some things that are popping out that you just don't see in the other React courses. Okay, Redux, great. Context API, good. Hooks, yes. A lot of courses talk about this stuff, but then we go over here and we have things like GraphQL. We have things like Firebase. We have things like design patterns. Testing with Jest, Enzyme, and Snapshot testing. But going down here and just looking at the massive content, 313 lectures, almost 40 hours of content. In fact, they just added a few new lectures. These bonuses, Build a Gatsby blog, he just added this earlier today. The bonus of Webpack and Babel in the testing section just added. And the thing is, once you get inside the course, you watch the intros, you kind of get yourself situated with the feel of the course. This course is designed to simulate what you might encounter at the job site. So instead of doing like 10 tiny projects that you might not even think of including in your portfolio because they are kind of basic, you do one giant project. And in this course, it's an e-commerce clothing website, and you're doing everything from working with React hooks, working with the Stripe API, adding mobile support, doing testing on it, and a lot of other things we should be doing with all of our projects that we deploy for the real world. But with a lot of these courses, they are strictly theoretical. And so this course just takes it one step further to simulate what you might encounter in the real world. Now, in the real world, you're not working on these projects alone. So just be aware that, most jobs aren't having you be this cowboy coder. I'm like, yeah, okay, Tom, go build us an e-commerce website. Like, you're working with a team of talented people. So there are some things that can't be simulated in these types of courses, but this style is a step above most others that I do see and review. For this course, Andrei actually collaborated with one of his programming friends who is also a self-taught developer, and I think he worked in Silicon Valley also. He does a lot of the code along portions in this course, and then Andrei does a lot of the theoretical stuff and the overview stuff. Now, one thing I will constructively criticize is that the mic levels between the two throughout the course are very inconsistent. That is the one thing that did pop out to me where I was like, ooh, mic. I think a lot of lectures here actually, Ihua didn't use a mic, so there's a lot of reverb in some of the lectures. So for me, that was kind of distracting going from one lecture to the next. One video you have a really good mic'd up vocal, and then the next you're just using an internal mic on your laptop or whatever. That is an issue I see in a lot of Udemy courses, honestly, and I can see how easily it happens. So if you have taken a lot of Udemy courses, that probably won't come as a big surprise. But going back to the actual content, I think it's definitely a cut above. Should you drop everything in your current React course and go take this one? Perhaps not, but maybe when you're done with that one, come check this course out and see the extras that you're provided, because stuff like GraphQL and Apollo, and there's just so many other instances where I'm like, oh, I haven't seen that anywhere else. The bonus section on making your e-commerce app a progressive web app, a PWA, and I say this with darn near every Udemy review I do, for the cost of the price of lunch in America. I mean, come on. The biggest barrier, I think, for most people is just finding, you know, the couple weeks it's going to take to finish this course, because you're not just blowing through 38 hours over a 2-day period. You're watching 10 minutes and working for an hour or two. So it is a really intense course, as are the rest of these. You know, I haven't seen a React course that's less than 25 hours. What's an additional 13? You know what I mean? You're going all in no matter what. Overall, I recommend this course. Andrei is killing it right now, especially because he's so focused on people getting jobs. There aren't many instructors out there that have jobs on the brain when they make these courses, but Andrei is one of them, and he has a Discord server. I think he said it has like 40,000 people, which is absolutely insane to me, but he's just doing some great things right now, and his students are doing some great things too. I know a lot of Andrei's alumni are probably watching this, or current students. Please don't be shy and let me know what your experiences were when you took this course and how it's benefited you in your development journey. Also, one final bonus is that because it just dropped, all this stuff is up to date. And if you read the description, he said he's going to keep it updated, which is amazing. Like, he has taken all the problems and all the pitfalls that most instructors fall into and just turned it upside down. This guy, I think Udemy Instructor 2019, hands down. He's killing the game. He's changing the way people are learning, and he's making it much more engaging. Great job, Andrei Neagoie. Another great course. Check out the link in the description box, and guess what? I'm giving away a copy of this course. All you have to do, number one, be a subscriber to this channel. Just hit that little subscribe button and leave a comment. It can be anything. Just keep it civilized. And if I get 40 comments from subscribers by Wednesday, July 17th, I'm gonna be giving away 2 copies of that course, all right? So it behooves you to leave a comment. I'll pick the winners randomly this Friday, July 19th, and then I'll let you know if you were the lucky winner. Thanks guys for watching. As always, I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you in the next video.